everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel Rich and Lux. So today, as you can see, I have another Fendi unboxing. I know I've been into Fendi lately. Without further ado, I'm just gonna unbox it. I'm just so happy that I finally got this. It's been maybe 7 months that I've been thinking about this little beauty here. It's a little tiny box, so I don't know if you can guess. I got my receipt here, my cards, care cards, and my official receipt right here. So I just got this little cutie patootie. So I don't know, you probably already seen my video about my Fendi shopper tote, the big shopper tote, and I finally got this little beauty here that will match my Fendi shopper tote. I got the Nano Baguette. Oh my goodness. So I've been wanting the regular FF leather Nano Baguette, but when this came out, I believe just this season, or yeah, from the previous season, I believe. So this just came out. I was stunned. I love the gold buckle detailing here. It still have the plastic in here, and then the gold studs. So as you can see in the background, this is the one that matches that tote. So what I like about this is that it is magnetic, because the other Nano Baguettes, they're not magnetic, they're just the usual snap button. There you go. As you can see, the Fendi stripes there. And then, so basically this is a bag charm. Okay, and then this is the card number. Yeah, so it's the Nano Baguette in Napa leather with studs. So what I like about this is the chain is actually adjustable. So the old version of the Nano Baguette is just one little strap, but this one is adjustable because it has this little ball that you can, I guess you just push or pull, however how long you want the chain to go. So this is really, really gorgeous, guys, because it looks like it's just like a necklace. Like an actual bag accessory charm, but it is a functional bag charm because look at the space that I have there. There is a slot on the back, and then so I can put my key fob, a couple cards, my driver's license, and I'm good to go. Let me see if I can get some of my key pouch, key holder, so we can see if it fits here. Oh, okay. So I was hoping that I can just put this key holder inside the baguette, the Nano Baguette, but this is too thick because sometimes I just grab this and I'm good to go. And I just put a little chain on here and then make it as a small nano sling bag, but I don't think it fits in here. I was hoping it will, but I guess not. It's too big. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is just take out my key fob, and that's about it. And I take out my driver's license, my insurance card, and one credit card, and put it on the slot there. And then I'm just gonna take out from the, need to also put my driver's auto license, car insurance, and then voila, I'm ready. And then I can just put one lipstick too. I'll just put this for now. I have a little tiny hand spray sanitizer, but I can't find it right now. And then I can just put one lipstick, and then voila. It's not closing. You need to take out the lipstick. Okay, I guess it's too big. So there you go. Try to see and do some mud shots. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The only thing is scary though is because the chain is a little delicate. Bring the, see how, there. You could either just, you know, keep it like that, or you want it on your chest, you can have that option also. This is too high. Yeah, looks awkward. But if you want something like that, what do you think, guys? I love the gold buckle there. We can also just clip it, this little thing on your pants, and just keep it like that. And I think you can even make this as a belt because this chain is adjustable, and you can unhook it and have the chain go through your belt loops. And but the best part too is as a bag charm for this baby here. Oh my god, this is so cute. There we go. Yeah, so I just clipped it on the lobster clamp. Ta-da! but mostly I want this as not a bag charm but an actual tiny itty bitty purse. Okay, so just be careful because it could get tangled up. That's the only thing with these thin chains, but I think we can also do the thick chains. This is the one that I wanted my husband to buy me in Hawaii. You know, just even the regular old version of the Nano Baguette. He bought me the peekaboo instead, which I actually exchanged for this because I wanted like a travel bag. I know this is all white and all, but and there. So cute. I think I would wear it like a little longer though. So what do you think, guys? I know this nano bag trend, you're just so cute. See? So cute. So maybe I can borrow this chain to use for my 6-key ring holder. So this is what I usually just bring with me in my car fob. And what I do with the chain is, I have another chain, but this one is prettier. So I usually connect them together and then just put it on here. And then, so my thing is a keyless entry. There, I got 2 nano bags. There. So I just go in my car and drive like that. So I got 2 for 1. My key holder and this little gorgeous cutie. Oh, I love this. I love the cuteness of it. Okay, so what do you think, guys? What do you think of these nano bags? Are they worth it, you think? I mean, for me with my lifestyle, I just need this when I go to the grocery store or pick up my kids sometimes. And I just need my key fob and driver's license pretty much. And voila. So that is it, guys. What do you think of my new Nano Baguette? So cute. So cute. And then maybe let me try to actually try it as a belt. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is adjust it shorter. Perfect. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Is this nano nonsense or nano cute, functional, and multi-purpose, versatile mini bag? So either you can just hang it in your bag, shoulder bag, crossbody, or you can even make it as a top handle. So you just adjust the chain. You can even do this, but it's just scary. It's too thin to wear. I don't think I want to do that, to make it as a top handle, but you can. I guess those thicker chains would do. I'm gonna try to do another video maybe of how I can stylize this or style this. All right, guys, so that's, I think, it. Tell me what you think. You can like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. I do unboxings, shopping blogs, and bag reviews. So yep, that's it. You have a good day. Bye. Yeah.